foodies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made us some healthy, delicious budget meal. Well, in this video, I'm not exactly going to cook, but I will be showing you guys how to make the popular yet basic Nigerian food, eba, which is also known as garri. It is made with processed cassava. It is often the main complementary food for various types of soups or stew, as the case may be. What you need for this eba is garri, a mixing bowl, a kettle of hot water, and a turning or a mixing spatula. It is very basic and simple, but it feels tedious, especially for beginners. However, what I will be sharing with you guys today is not just for beginners, but also for those who know how to make eba prior to this time. There is a trick, or should I say a hack, to making a smooth, soft, non-sticky eba, and it is very presentable and well put together. May I take a second to give a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and to you, my new subscribers, welcome. Please go ahead to hit the like button, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so you will be the first to see my posts once I publish them. The first step to this is for you to plug your kettle of water to a power outlet or boil on the gas. You could also use a pot. Make sure the water comes to a rolling boil. Once it is boiled, pour the water into the mixing bowl. The amount of water depends on the amount of eba you're planning to make, if you're making for one person or for two. Add half a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Now go ahead and pour in your garri. For me, I eyeball the garri during the process, and you can add more water or more garri as you go. The next thing you do is to cover it up. Allow it for 2 to 5 minutes. Then you can take away the cover, and then use the wooden spatula to mix it just like so. Eba is a very forgiving recipe, so you can always, add more garri or more water. Just make sure you just check through as you go along. In this video, I did not exactly want to share beginner steps, but to share with you guys one ingredient that could make you have a perfectly baked garri. Maybe I will consider making a beginner's, step-by-step garri making process in the future. Here you have a perfectly made garri that is smooth, very easy to cut into, and very presentable. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I really do like it. In case you're wondering what was the hack or the trick I had to share, the vegetable oil added at the beginning is the hack and or the trick. So instead of you to finish making your eba and start using your hand to touch water and then smoothing your eba, the easiest way for you to achieve a smooth and well presentable eba as well as very soft eba is for you to add a little bit of vegetable oil during the process of making your eba. You can see what we had before without the oil. It doesn't really look nice. No matter how you try to make it, look nice, it will never look as nice as this one. This is very easy, it's smooth, and it's just super presentable, guys. And I hope you try this and do let me know what you think about this video. This is me just bringing Africa and bringing Nigeria to those who are in diaspora and those who are not Africans or Nigerians. And also for those Nigerians who perhaps have never entered the kitchen or tried to make African or Nigerian food, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope to see you in my other videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're just joining us for the first time. And if you've been here and you're yet to hit the notification bell, please go ahead and hit the notification bell